My name is Lisa.
Hello, welcome back. We have Unit 5, Lesson 1, Numbers. All right, are you ready?
Yes.
Yes, let's go. We have letter M.
M sound.
M is for music.
Music.
Again,
Music.
one more time.
Music.
Music. All right. M is for monkey.
Monkey.
Again,
Monkey.
last time. Monkey.
Monkey.
Wow, good job. Now it's time to count. Get your fingers ready. We have
1.
1. Again,
1.
1. Last time,
1.
1. Great job. Let's go with 2.
2.
Again,
2.
last time.
2.
All right, and 3.
3.
Again,
3.
3. Last time.
3.
Great job, everyone. 4.
4.
Great job. 4.
4.
Louder. 4. All right, and 5.
5.
Good job. 5.
5.
Louder.
5.
Very good. We have 6.
6.
Great job. 6.
6.
Last time.
6.
All right, and 7.
7.
Again.
7.
7. Louder.
7.
7. Good job. 8.
8.
Great.
8.
Wonderful. 8.
8.
Next one. 9.
9.
Again.